Hey you guys, today I am making fish mandi. Here is an easy recipe of home style fish mandi you can now make at home. This recipe is helpful for those who do not have an oven at home. So let's see how I make it. First I am making mandi spice mix. Take a pan to dry roast all the spices like 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 2 tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 tablespoon black peppercorn, 12 cardamoms, 7 cloves, 1 mace, saffron half teaspoon. Roast it for 1 minute. Finally add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and now grind to a smooth powder. And second step is to take a small kadai, add 2 tablespoon ghee in it, add 1 cup almonds and 1 cup cashews. Fry this till it becomes golden brown. Remove it in a plate and keep aside. You can also add raisins if you want. And now I am making marination. Add 2 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Adjust as per your taste. Add 2 to 3 tablespoon mandi masala and 1/4 teaspoon color. It's optional. Now mix this well. To this I am adding 3 tablespoon lemon juice and some finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix nicely, and now I am going to apply it on the fish. I am using Thenga Parai fish, trevally fish. Rub it nicely on both the sides of the fish. And marinate this for 1 to 2 hours. And now I am making mandi rice. Heat 2 tablespoon ghee in a pan. Add bay leaf, 3 cloves, 2 cardamoms, 1 inch cinnamon, 1 black cardamom and 1 star anise. To this I am adding 2 medium-sized sliced onions. Fry this well, and now I am adding 2 tablespoon fish oil which I used while frying the fish. Fry this onions till it becomes translucent. Add 3 roughly chopped green chillies and 1 dried lemon. Fresh lemons which I kept it in sunlight for a week. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon mandi spice mix. Cook for 30 seconds and now add 4.5 glass of water in it. Close the lid and bring it to boil. Then add 3 cups of washed and soaked basmati rice. Cook till rice is completely cooked. If you want, you can give charcoal smoke to the rice. And now heat oil in a large pan. Now place the marinated fish and fry on both the sides till fish is completely cooked. Sprinkle some mandi masala on top of the fish. Now you can see the fish is completely cooked. Remove from the frying pan and keep aside. Take a large serving plate. Now top up with cooked mandi rice. Sprinkle roasted almonds and cashews. Now place the fried fish on top of the mandi rice and serve hot. To get the smoky flavor, give charcoal smoke once rice is cooked and then serve. Authentic fish mandi is ready. So why not give it a try? I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a big thumbs up below and make sure to subscribe to our channel. When you do, click that little bell icon. Do tag us on our Instagram page shimmies.kitchen. See you in our next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.